Hey guys, Scrappy K Sue. I have a few cards I wanted to show you. Today is Black Friday, and it rained today here in Mississippi, so I didn't really get out. I wasn't planning on doing it anyway, but I did a little bit of online shopping. I know that Cyber Monday will be coming up, so I'm hoping to get some really good deals then. And some of them are really good deals. So anyway, here are the cards. I thought I had done a video on this one before, but I couldn't find it and I didn't see it online, so I guess I'll do it again. This is a Thanksgiving card. These little wooden trucks I cannot seem to find in my craft room. I don't remember where I got them. I think they were at, I think I got them at either Hobby Lobby or Walmart. But there was a little box, wooden box thing that had, you know, like little places to set each one. And there were several of these and several of something else. I can't remember what it was. But anyway, I thought it went pretty good with this because I had this already done. These, the oranges and yellows and greens, I did some color blending with the Distress inks. And this die here, I believe, is a either a Poppy Stamps or the other one that goes with Poppy Stamps. Either way, it's the same company, I think. And it's got like a pumpkin and something with it, but I just took that off and put the Give Thanks on here. And put some little leaves in different colors because they were bare, actually, the die. I can't remember the die on this, though. And the inside, I just put a stamp, and I already put it up. A Whimsy stamp for this. And this is something else, but I can't remember what it was. So sorry. I thought I had already done this one, so I'm so sorry about that. But anyway, it turned out okay. I kind of got this a little bit crooked, but hoping that the recipient doesn't mind because it's a handmade card and they're not perfect, right? So it turned out pretty good, though. The next one is this. This is a 6x6. This is some ribbon that I had in my stash, and these are some stickers that I got in the clearance section at Hobby Lobby last year. And this is a die, but I cannot remember. Cannot remember whose die that was. And this right here, I got off some little some stamps. Yes, I was trying to think if it was no, it's just like a book of stamps and stuff. They had different things about fall in it, and they had a bunch of words in there, and this was in there. And this is a stamp that I have, which I believe is curl wire. I think that is a I think it's a pink design stamp. I'm not sure. This is the pumpkin and leaves that go with this Give Thanks die right here. It's kind of all together, and I wasn't going to put the pumpkin and everything because it was too big on here, so I put it inside this card with the leaves, so that worked out. Alright, and the 6x6, I don't have any envelopes for those, so I have to make my own. So I have the envelope maker. So I made that. And then here's another 6x6 I did. This I got from Hobby Lobby. It came with like 6 of them, I think. Here's another one of those pumpkins. And just some stamp, or it's late, sorry. Some ribbon for my stash. And this is another one of those stickers that came from, it was Hobby Lobby. It's like a long sticker set. I had a bunch of these kind and different other ones, different sayings. And then I had this this fall washi tape, so I put that on there. And then these stamps here, and this right here, and these don't remember. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. It's late, and my when I talk a lot, my voice gets kind of messed up. So sorry. Okay, and that was it on that one. Okay, and the next one is a shaker card, and that one, hang on a second. That one is a Simon Says Stamps die stitched grand maple. Here is the I did it on a I think it's a 4x4 or something like that. And there's the stitched part, and so I just made it into a shaker, and I put you can't really see, there it goes, acetate on that. And here's another, this is a wheat die, here with this little bow. And this little thing right here is a rub-on. It just needed something right there. And again, one of these little things in those sticker books. This is Count Your Blessings. And this paper I had somewhere. Where'd it go? Well, I must have put it up. Sorry about that. And this is just a sticker border here. Goodness gracious, I am so sorry. If any of you want to know what's on here, and because you want to like get it and try something yourself, let me know, and I promise you I'll look it up and I will get right back to you on that. And inside, this is a Recollections die, not die, stamp. It's got a bunch of Thanksgiving stuff on it. It's like several years old. So I just put that in there. And I believe that is it. I have got to start working on my Christmas cards. I've got a few done, but I just haven't got enough of them done. And these right here, I had this. This is a Gina Marie die, and I had this one stamped out already. And I've been meaning to try and get this done, and it's just been sitting on my desk. So finally, I got it done, and I put different colors in here. The paper, these papers is Gina Marie paper, not Gina Marie, Gina K stamps paper, and the solid colors, it comes from this stack, Craft Perfect, Tonic Studios, and this is like it's a pearlescent 6x6 pad, and it's got these 4 colors in it, autumn colors here. So I used these. This one was this is Red Velvet, and this one is the Rusted Crimson. And so I used those for certain parts of it. And then this is just green I had in my stack, and I put some shimmer on it with my Wink of Stella on the green parts here. And I gotta make these into a card. But it's not as important right now as getting my Christmas stuff done. So I gotta get those. I got all my Christmas stuff out and ready to go. So I should be able to get a good many of them knocked out soon. But I am so tired. I've been having back problems, so I took some medication that my doctor gives me for my back, and I will soon be saying night-night to my hubby, which is on the computer doing work. So I thought I'd go ahead and get these cards out on my YouTube. So if y'all have any questions about any of these, just let me know, and I appreciate it if you liked these cards and the video. If you could give it a thumbs up, I'd appreciate it. And if you are not not subscribed, I would appreciate you subscribing. So we'll talk to you guys later. All right, thanks. Bye.